This is the unboxing of Mr. Heater. This is a 10,000 to 15,000 BTU for outdoor use only. Of course, we're going to use it indoors, just like it says not to. So here's the box, and then we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to hand this to my new photographer here and hope that she doesn't screw up, but she will, so bear with her. Okay, so we're unboxing it. Okay, flip around. What does that say right here? Do not return product to store. Ne pas renault un product or la marca no vuela product a la. That means don't take it back to the fucking store. Okay, so first we have the instruction manual. We don't need that. I'm a man. This is the stand. We're not going to need that. Oh, poor cat. Okay, and then here's Mr. Heater. Damn, looky there. Oh yeah, bad motherfucker here. Guess we gotta get this thing off. Where's those directions? Never mind. Okay, so that says hot. It's not even on. Presumably it's gonna get hot. Okay. So the little propane tank goes here. You get a 1 pound propane tank. It's not included. And then this goes, let's see here. You got these two little fragile things here. What are these? Oh, that's a jet spray of the fuel. What the fuck? And a little, I don't know what the hell that is. Okay, we may have to read directions on this stupid thing. Let's see here. This is off. High, medium, low. Okay. So it goes in here. I don't know what the hell that's for. Okay. Remove label before use. Oh, duh, fuck it. There we go. Okay, so that's going to heat up. Caution, hot. And we're going to have this in the golf cart with us. Maybe. This doesn't look very safe. Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow if I don't come home with 8-degree burns. Okay, cut. Cut, damn it. Mr. Heater, $30 beats the $80 one all to fucking hell.